Hello students, I am Ms. Mishra, math teacher of PLPM Public School, Golamaya, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already discussed about the data handling. In the data handling, I have already defined how to find mean, how to find class intervals and frequency of any, and how to find histogram of any data. But today I will explain you that how to construct a pie chart of any given data. What is pie chart? Pie chart is a circle graph, circle divided into the sectors, and each sector represents the related information of the given data. Now, first of all, I will take data and make pie chart. How to find pie chart by data? We know that sum of angles at any point equal 360 degree. So at the center of circle, all angles is 360 degree, and 360 degree angle divided into many parts. Each part shows the related information of the given data. Now, how to make pie chart? First of all, I will make circle of any convention radius, and in the circle, first of all, I will draw radius of circle, and we draw angle of the given data in clockwise. So, for find out pie chart of any given data, first of all, I will take a data which is given in the exercise 6.4, question number 2. Question number 2 is question number 2. Question number 2 is construct a pie chart. Construct a pie chart. Construct a pie chart with all the details. With all the details. With all the details. With all the details. Showing the music preference. Showing the music, showing the music, showing the music preference of 200 young adults, 200 young adults. Here type of music, number of young adults, number of young adults, number of degrees, and percentage. Now, type of music is first is pop. First is pop. Number of notes is 100. Second, light. Light. Light is 50. 3. Rock. N roll. Rock. N roll. That is 26. Fourth, judge. That is 20. Fifth, classical. That is 4. Total is 200. Now by this data we have to find out. By this data we have to find out pie chart. How to find pie chart? So here this column is number of degree. So I will find number of degree in a center of circle. So how to find number of degree? So I will find number of degrees as 100 upon total is 200, then divided by 200 multiplied 360. Then it will be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, degree of pop will be 100 degree. Now, next 50 by 200 multiplied 360 degree. Then it will be divided by 20 and it will be 90 degree. Now 26 200 divided by 26 divided 200 into 360, then it will be 46.8 degree. It will be 46.8 degree. Now 20 upon 200 multiplied 360 degree, then it will be 36 degree. Now 4 divided by 200 into 360 degree, then it will be 7.2 degree. Then it will be 7.2 degree. This is the number of degree. Now, how to find percentage? Then 180 degree upon 360 degree into 100. Then it will be 50%. 90 divided by 360 into 100. Then it will be 90. 4 and 4 25. Then it will be 25 degree. Now 46.8 divided by 360 into 100. Then it will be 13 degree. 13 degree. Now 36 divided by 360 into 100. Then it will be 10 degree. Now 7.2 divided by 360 degree into 100 will be equal to 2 degree. Will be equal to the 2%. will be equal to the here will percentage, percentage 2%. Now after this I will draw the pie chart. So for this we make a circle of any convenient radius. This is the center. This is the center of circle. First of all, I will draw radius. And make 180 degree. Then this is the 180 degree. This shows the this sector shows the path. This is the path. Now next is 90 degree. So I will make 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And this sector shows the light. This is light lines. After this, we make 46.8 degree. Then by the help of protractor, we make this angle 46.8 degree. This shows the rough and roll. This sector shows the rough and roll. This is rough and roll. Now, after this, we make 36 degree. And this part shows the music dance judge. J double judge. Now after this angle, this is 36 degree. This is 36 degree, and this is 7.2 degree. Then this part shows the classical music. This is the classical music. So this is the figure of pie chart, and each part shows the music of different units. Here this is pop music, and this is light music. This is rock and air music. This is jazz music. This is classical music. So it is clear that I hope that this question is clear to you. I'll revise the next question in the next video. So dear students, I will revise next video in the next question. Thank you so much.